Say hi, Peyton. Here. Can we sing a song? Sing a song for everybody? Say, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some pigs. What's a pig do? That's right, E-I-E-I-O. And what else is on the farm? Cows? What's a cow say?
Mom.
And a kitty cat?
Kitty.
What's a kitty cat say?
Meow.
Meow. And what does a cow... Oh, we did that. What's the doggy say? What's the doggy say? Woof, woof. Yeah? Okay, we're done? Okay.